welcome to Daybreak. I'm your host, Jillian Dzuski, bringing you the latest in Disney parks and entertainment news first thing in the morning. Disney brought Leave a Legacy back to the new entrance of Epcot. The small engraved portraits are now located on a multicolored paneled wall, which runs along the perimeter of Epcot's recently updated entrance. Leave a Legacy began in celebration of the new millennium. Guests were able to take a photo booth style photo and have it engraved and placed on a large monolith that had been a feature of the Epcot entrance up until the removal in late 2019, in the first phase of Epcot's 50th anniversary makeover. Sticking with Epcot, the first installations are now complete for the upcoming Flower and Garden Festival. The first topiaries to be finished are some butterflies, which are located what will be the Go-Go Squeeze Butterfly House. Fossil and dinosaur footprints were also spotted in Future World and what will be the all-new prehistoric garden location. We're very excited to see what this location looks like when it opens on March 3rd. The Lunar New Year is tomorrow, Friday the 12th, and Disney released a line of special Year of the Ox merchandise. A Spirit jersey, t-shirt, mug, pin, and a new Numio outfit are all available on shopdisney.com. Both Hong Kong and Shanghai Disney also have special collections available for local pickup. Kate Spade is also getting in on the celebration with a line featuring Clarabelle and Minnie Mouse. Disney recently announced that Main Street USA and Disneyland would reopen for hard-ticketed dining events in the very near future. In a letter to cast members, Disney announced that beginning on March 5th, Main Street USA will open to guests with a hard ticket to come and enjoy some of the famous food available in the Disneyland park. This move will allow 1,000 furloughed employees to be recalled back to work and mark the first time that Disneyland has opened its doors in an entire year. In resort news, the water slide at Stormalong Bay at the Beach Club has been slated for refurbishment later this month. So if you're staying at the Yacht and Beach Club in the next few weeks, be aware that even though the pool and lazy river will remain open, the slide will be closed. In parks construction news, it looks like the Roundup Rodeo in Toy Story Land may finally be making some progress. The barbecue restaurant was supposed to open last summer, but has been delayed due to COVID-19 in favor of other projects. Disney seems to be moving ahead with the project as they recently filed a permit with Sign Producers, Inc. to make the signage for the immersive Western restaurant themed to Woody, Jessie, and Bo Peep. Wrapping up the broadcast with this day in Disney Parks history. This day in 2011, Mickey's Toontown Fair at Walt Disney World closed its gates for good. The popular family attraction, originally known as Mickey's Birthday Land, had been a fixture in the park for 23 years and is now home to the Storybook Circus. Thank you for joining us today, and we will see you in the great, big, beautiful tomorrow.